G'day everyone, it's Angelo Ramora here. I'm your favorite Australian and the real estate dingo bringing you another blog. And today I'm talking about some of the top trends in real estate and why I love or hate them. So let's get it started. Okay guys, look, I want to start off this blog by saying this. Your network equals your net worth. And what I mean by that is the more people you speak to on a daily basis, the more you will know. And the more you will learn and the more you'll be able to expand your existing thoughts. And what that does is it just makes you a better investor and a better entrepreneur in general. And it's something that I have done for a very long time. Like I'm not the smartest guy out there. I quit school at a very young age. I can hardly type. I can't read that well and my grammar is really poor. But look, I always associate myself with other successful people. I network a lot, go to a lot of conferences. And I just, over time, one thing leads to another and you start to learn. And like I told you, you start to expand on your existing horizon and then you become better. And look, one thing that I've been hearing at a lot of these conferences, and I don't like it, it's kind of getting me a little bit hesitant, is there's a lot of people talking about a lack of inventory. I don't see that lack of inventory here in the Midwest. I still feel like a kid in a candy store. But anyway, that aside. So I see a lot of people talking about a lack of inventory. I'm also seeing a lot of folks buying high, right? They're buying properties in Georgia, in Florida, in Texas, the East Coast and West Coast, where I already see these markets have appreciated quite a bit, right? And everyone's talking about fairy tales and butterflies and all of this, the market is booming, it's great, the real estate market is awesome. And you know what? I mean, I'm kind of hesitant, guys, because Warren Buffett said it, when others are greedy, get fearful. And when others are fearful, get greedy. And I'm not saying that the market is greedy right now, but I'm kind of seeing a trend going in that direction. It's kind of easy money. You do not have to work hard for it anymore. And guys, I want to tell you this. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it, right? And they are doing it right now, but that doesn't last. It cannot last. And it's kind of, as I said, it's the third time I'm saying it. I'm a little bit hesitant because I'm kind of touchy and feely with the market. I want to see what's going on. And look, a few things that I really don't like is this. Number one, people are buying high. Number two, people are using a ton of leverage. I mean, I speak to investors every day and everyone's asking, can we use leverage to buy your properties? No, you can't. I don't accept leverage. I don't like leverage. I don't like working with the banks. Anyway, I know you guys are probably doing this. No, you're crazy, dingo. Leverage is awesome. Look, there's many ways to make money in real estate and I appreciate all of the ways that you're making money in real estate. I'm just sharing my beliefs with you, so please don't crucify me for it. Or look, if you want to, just comment below. We'll get into a little comment war or whatever you want to call it. But look, there's a lot of people doing stupid things using a ton of leverage. I don't like it. There's a lot of people doing development type deals, right? Where you're buying a house, you're knocking it down, you're building a new one, or you're subdividing the lot, you're building on the other side. Look, I like to be the master of my fate, the captain of my soul. I want to control everything. So let that stick with you right now, and I'm going to touch on that a little bit later. You want to control the entire process because that, in my opinion, will give you the best return on investment and it will be the safest way for you moving forward. So let me backtrack now again. People are buying high. People are using leverage. People are developing. They're doing these full-blown structural rehabs or building from ground up where they're not in control. And then people are investing in syndications, in these crowdfunding. I'm going to call them schemes for lack of a better word. They're not, but you get my drift. I'm being a little bit derogatory here. Guys, I don't like it, okay? It's my belief. Take it or leave it. I'm just sharing my thoughts with you on the current real estate trends that I'm seeing. And look, I don't like what I'm seeing, put it that way. What I think you guys should be doing is this. I think you should be finding distressed properties, okay? In whatever market you're located in, there's always a deal to be had. You just need to know where to look. You need to have the cash to buy it and you need to be able to close quickly. If you really want some tips on where to look, I think the Midwest is the perfect place to look for distressed property. I still think there's a lot of opportunity here. There's a lot of foreclosures hitting the market. And once again, I feel like a kid in a candy store. So find a distressed property, negotiate really well, buy it cheap, fix it, and sell it, okay? Yes, I know there's more to it, but I don't want to go into too much depth. But that is my opinion on what you guys should be doing in today's day and age. You should be in control from start to finish. I don't want you working with lenders. I don't want you buying high. I don't want you investing in crowdfunding syndication type deals where you don't really control your destiny. It's someone else pulling the strings. And I definitely don't want you investing in full-blown development deals where you're building a house from scratch or subdividing an existing lot or doing a full-blown structural rehab where you need approval from the city, the county, an architect, whoever it may be. Guys, you control your destiny. You should call the shots. If you make a mistake, it's your fault, not anyone else's. Blame yourself, pick yourself back up, don't make the same mistake, and keep moving forward. So find distressed assets, buy them at dirt cheap prices, fix them up to the best of your ability, and sell them at a profit, rinse and repeat. That, in my opinion, guys, has been the quickest and easiest and best way to make money in real estate for the last, I don't know how long. I've been doing it from day one. I'm still doing it to this day, and I'm going to continue doing it long into the future. At the end of the day, guys, you make money when you buy and not when you sell. So make sure that you buy cheap. Okay, so look, once again, that is my opinion. I never say that I'm right or that I'm wrong, but I'm always happy to share my perceptions, opinions, and experiences with you guys in a very passionate way, like I always do. Hey, I would love to hear from you of some trends that you're seeing in the market that you might not like right now, or that you do like. So please comment below. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I'm Angelo Remora. I'm your favorite Australian and the real estate dingo. I'll catch you soon.